good afternoon. So here is another room makeover vlog, but this time for this house naman. So as you guys can see, we're back in the house. If you guys haven't seen my moving in / house update, I'll leave the link down below. Also the empty tour para you guys could see the process of the before and after. So anyways, today's agenda is dadating yung mirror na in-order ko around 3 to 4 p.m. Tapos we're gonna be unpacking yung mga stuff from the old house kasi dyan lang siya lahat nakatambak, and then we'll be rearranging the stuff. And then here I have a bunch of packages that I ordered. These are like the room decor that I don't ever take it. I just wanna be. It's what you make it. Always try to give. Don't ever take it. Life has its music. Life has its song. Rearranging the furniture, so I'll insert a picture right here on the screen on what's my peg. So naging interior designer ako, parang interior designer na I fixed my room like as arrangement na gusto ko, tapos yung mga decor na binili ko na rin. So I'm just waiting for those, at least you guys could see a feel of my room. If you guys haven't seen my last video, yung house update, sinabi ko gusto ko yung theme ko parang bohemian chic, so that's the vibe I'm trying to go for. And sa table na to, actually may parang pag-ganon siya here. Pero nilabas muna namin siya. Ito siya guys, oh. Kasi ayoko na siyang ilagay para mas mukhang mature, and I don't know, I just feel like it matches the vibe more. Tapos yung bed ko, it's brown. Actually, hindi siya masyado bagay, pero you know, nandyan na, so I just have to deal with it. Tapos isa lang yung side table ko kasi I wanted to make like more space here para I could put like mini couch or something. I'm not quite sure yet, but yeah, so isa lang yung side table ko. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing with this. Yung sa lamp, di ko pa alam saan ilalagay. As seen from the picture naman kanina, I'm gonna be putting the mirror here, so yun yung mag-arrive later. Ito yung mga gamit ko from the other house. Unpack na namin ni Ate Michelle. Ate, say hi! And then ito, nandito yung ibang vases. I think ito yun yung vase na in-order ko. But yeah, this is the current situation. We'll start unpacking. It's what you make it. Always try to give. Don't ever take it. Life is what I dream. It's what you make it. Always try to give. Don't ever take it. I got this box and I realized na I have another mirror that I haven't used. As in, I have the exact same thing. And parang a teal, blue color. Ayan o, guys. Dinala ko pa siya from the other room. I have it in pink pala. So, my gosh, ang dami kong mirror. Update. So now, Ate Michelle is gonna be putting the bed sheets para mas may color na tong room ko. So far, it looks like that. Madami pang mess. Pero itong mga orders ko, I'm gonna be unboxing it na after ayusin yung bed sheets. So, yan. White lang yung color. Tapos, on top, it's gray now. Okay, so now it's time to unbox the orders. These are mostly from Shopee. Tapos isa lang ata yung from Lazada. So let's start off with this one. Actually, pinadala ko to sa mom's house ko. Tapos dinala ko lang siya kanina. So I won't show you guys as in like a full detail of the stuff because I'm gonna do a haul. Now let's open this one. Ito medyo nasilip ko na siya. So it's just a throw pillowcase. It's so cute! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Tapos, ito naman, from Shopee. It's nicely packaged kasi babasagin to. Yun lang, may gunting ba tayo? Walang gunting. Walang gunting? Paano natin mabuksan to? Ayan. Okay, dahil wala tayong gunting. Hindi ko mabuksan. Patulungan din. So cute! Ganyan siya. Yay! I'm gonna be putting this dyan sa my shelf. So So this is the current situation. Ang messy. So I'm gonna be putting this muna sa shelves and I'll show it to you guys after.
Always try to give, don't ever take it.
So I showed you guys my peg kanina, yung ginawa kong parang design for my room. So ito yung orange base sa picture, tapos ito na siya. So I'm gonna be putting it here. Tapos yung ibang embroidery ko na base, wala pa siya. So for now, yun lang muna mag-isa siya. So, for this side naman, sa photo na sinoko sa inyo kanina, originally my desk is on that side, sa my corner. Pero pinagpalit ko siya kasi naisip ko, if mag-aayos ako, I don't have to make ikot and go dyan. At least ito, malapit lang sa my door na. If you guys get me? So, since we're gonna be exposed to different people, nag-mask na muna ko. Ata mag-mask ka. Mask ka na pala. We're going down and nag-text na kasi yung mirror na nandyan na sila. Julius? Julius? Ayan. Na pala. So, yan na yung mirror. And guys, it's not that big pala. Maliit lang. Ba yan? Kala ko mas malaki. So, yan. If you guys can see, it's parang yung shape niya is super cool. I'll show it to you guys upstairs. Okay guys, so fail. It's so small pala. I mean, it's my fault kasi I didn't look at the dimensions rin. I'm pretty sure it was posted, pero medyo siya nga ako, hindi ko siya binasa. So, I thought it was like a full length. Hindi pala. So, I really wanted it in that, wait, in, where ba? That spot. Kasi sakto siya sana, full length mirror. Tapos parang photo area ko. But since maliit siya, naisip ko, ilagay na lang siya dito sa desk ko. Since I was planning to buy a half moon na mirror for my desk, naisip ko ito na lang kasi sakto naman yung size niya, pero we just have to buy parang pangdikit para hindi siya mahulog. Pero it looks cute naman, guys. Yan o, yan itsura niya. Cute naman, diba, ate? Kasi hindi ko rin siya magagamit pag nilagay ko dito kasi super tiny. So, let's put it into good use. Parang vanity ko na lang siya. So, this is my initial plan. Tapos ito yung tissue box. Tapos ito yung eye mirror. So, ito siya. Pero parang hindi ko siya gustong ganyan. Parang, I don't know, it looks so bulky. So, I might just put this instead. Ito dati na tong decor ko. Tapos, I have some acrylic organizers rin for my makeup. So, baka I'll put this in a different place. By the way, I am drinking Teamy. This is my matcha tea. Then I added almond milk. I super love it. I've been drinking it for a couple of days now. So if you guys want to purchase Teamy, I have a discount code. I'll leave the link down below and all the details. So, yeah. Si ate pinupunasan lang kasi medyo madami, no? Tsaka para ma-disinfect. I have these fake flowers. So, ginawa ko sa kanila is binend ko. Tapos, nilagay ko siya sa pot na to. I'm gonna do the same thing sa blue one over there. Kasi they're very identical. So, para ganyan yung itsura niya. Now, I'm gonna be decluttering some of my clothes. So, I only have a few clothes here in my dad's house. Kasi usually, I sleep here occasionally or weekends lang. So, ang ginagawa ko, I just bring some clothes for my mom. Or minsan, hindi na ako nagdadala kasi pambahay lang kasi usually nasa house lang, especially ngayon quarantine. But I'm gonna be decluttering most of them kasi hindi ko naman sila nagagamit, super tagal na. And yun nga, I usually just bring stuff from my mom's house. So, that's what we're gonna be doing.
It's what you make it. Always try to give, don't ever take it.
Hey guys, so update. I already decluttered most of my clothes. Tapos yung iba, since wala pa kami masyadong hangers na dala, lalagay muna namin sila there. Tapos next time na namin organize. And then some jackets, tapos itong mga dresses nandito. And then my bathroom looks like this naman. So I have some toiletries, perfume, cotton pads. Tapos ito dati parang pang scent siya, pero tinanggal na namin yung laman. Tapos ito, I might just put some towels or I'm not sure if pang laundry or pwede rin siyang trash can actually. I'm not quite sure pa. time check, it's now 3:45. And siguro that's it muna for today. Ibang day naman kami ulit mag-ayos. We'll bring some hangers. Tapos I'll wait for the other room decor. So I'll just see you guys on the next time I vlog and continue this room makeover.